many businesses think managed IT services are set and forget until something goes wrong. Imagine your main database server crashing right before a critical deadline. Your team is locked out, invoices stack up, and customers grow frustrated. Add the pressure of new data privacy laws and a tight budget, and the problem quickly becomes a real business risk. In fact, 33% of organizations don't have the budget to adequately staff their teams, so if you're feeling the squeeze, you're not alone. As Victor Liu, president of Link High Technologies, puts it, gaps in managed IT services turn small issues into business disruptions before you know it. The real cost is in the fallout. Early warning signs are easy to miss. Slow response times from your IT provider drain productivity and leave customers waiting. Security gaps can threaten trust, especially when you're juggling too many disconnected tools. 92% of organizations face challenges managing separate networking and security tools. Compatibility issues stall projects, with 17% of businesses struggling to make new apps work with old systems. And when compliance processes are unclear or bills keep changing, your business stability is at risk. The impact is real. Staff wait for help while critical systems are down. Compliance paperwork piles up, and routine issues spiral out of control. Too many managed service providers promise a lot, but disappear when you need results. That's why 67% of channel firms believe the MSP business model needs more formal oversight. So what can you do? Demand clear, tailored SLAs and regular performance reviews. Prioritize providers who integrate seamlessly with your systems and consolidate your security tools for unified oversight. Look for flexible contracts and transparent pricing to avoid surprises. Audit your provider, set measurable goals, train your team, and hold regular reviews to keep everyone accountable. Don't settle for reactive support. Choose a partner who learns your workflows, anticipates risks, and stands by you as your business grows. Read the full article on our website, and don't forget to add us to your playlist.